Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I got my headphones that I won from Sweetcoin. The app, I'll put in my link in the description of this video. It's the app Sweetcoin, and I bought it using my Sweetcoin points. And here was the unboxing for the headphones. Bluetooth headphones with battery pack included, and the screen itself. Alrighty, this is the packaging. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. That's how the headphones look like. The case is right there. Whoa, that's how the headphones looks like. Looks smaller than Earbuds Pros and Earbuds. Also comes with earpieces and a micro USB cable to charge the headphones, instruction manuals, then to open. You got the USB battery pack to charge your phone. And it got some charge, I think, inside. Pretty cool. How it goes like this. That's how it looks like. I'm not sure if I'm gonna enjoy it, but I'll keep you in touch, maybe like a weekly basis. They look cool, but I don't know how you put these in. I think you put them on like that. Sounds like noise cancellation. It actually feels really nice. Pretty cool. And then you place them down like that. Magnetizes, and now it's charging. Let's do a satisfying plastic wrap. Ooh, that's cool. It shows you a screen at the top of each headset, how many percent, if it's full or not. That's cool. The plastic kind of feels cheap, kind of. But it's fine. It like see through the screen. That's pretty cool. 53%. So yeah, that's the video of unboxing and reviewing these true wireless earbuds with a power bank. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Peace out.